what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a fun tune, Love Me Do by the great Beatles. Super simple song, we only have 3 chords. Okay, so let's get started. We got a G major, 2nd, 3rd, pinky. We got a C. 1st, 2nd, 3rd. So that's all the chords we need for the verse and the chorus. And then for the bridge, we do have a D major. 1st, 2nd, 3rd. Okay, so let's talk about the switching. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Love me do. Bridge one more time, come on. D, 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 C, 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 G, D, 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 C. Oh. Fantastic. Simpler the better, right? Cool, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow, guys, with more great songs. And be safe. See you soon. Thank you.